and we now want to talk a little bit about the participation and more information if you want to join the team, want to make use of what is available and give your input to move forward. So you can apply for the IHE membership. There are the links, and there are a lot of companies in the healthcare that are already registered and participating. What you then want to do is to participate in the IHE domains, especially in our ICAR domain. The domains are made up out of a planning and a technical committee. The planning committee, as you can read, is more the ones that trying to evaluate the strategy, what should be done next. There are some contact information on the right side. And if you switch to the technical committee is then trying to realize the planning in terms of creating these IHE profiles, publishing them, testing them. Currently, we have a couple of major projects, basically continuing this CCDA path and enhancing the use of the JOIA standards. Again, there are some contact information to the right. Yep. A short summary again, what it means. Automated workflow, but with patient safety in mind. That's really the key. We have the unified ICAR workflow, and you go over the documentations and try to find yourself, identify first what workflow you fit best, and then go for the actors, look up the transactions, look up the corresponding descriptions, make yourself familiar with the standards, try to implement something, and then show up at the connecticon and put it to the test. Same for the CCDA documents, the two types, G and EC summary. Would be nice to have some more participants in the trial implementation to get this out as much tested as possible quickly soon. This slide shows you a couple of links and sources, starting with general IHE, HE7, DICOM, then some wikis about the different things, where you can download the IHE technical frameworks that you will need, where you find mainly the transaction descriptions, where you find all the profiles, where you find the profiles that were developed by the ICAR team, information about the connecticons, this test event that we did refer to, some important dates for this year. The connecticon is at the end of October. It's held at a small town near Chicago, where the RSNA headquarters is. It's a nice location, huge room, many people just trying to make things happen in a very cooperative way. So it's really an engineering event. Everybody tries to make things happen. Then we have the opportunity to present the world what we accomplished at the AO 2017 showcase, this booth electronic office that I mentioned at the beginning. The date's here, November 11th to 14th, this year at New Orleans, I think. More contacts, starting with the main supporter and the representative of the AAO, Flora Lam. A big thank you to the AAO and Flora for all the efforts through the last years. And then Donald as our main consultant, the brain behind all that. Then we have the co-chairs, the industry and the user co-chair of the two committees. Feel free to reach out to them if you want to get more information or if you want to have a summary how to participate. Welcome.